Hello, everyone. Welcome back to AK Education System Podcast. Today's episode is very important because many English learners make small mistakes every day. Sometimes the grammar is wrong, sometimes the sentence sounds unnatural, and sometimes one small word changes the whole meaning. But here is the good news. These mistakes are easy to fix, and when you correct them, your English immediately sounds clearer, more natural, and more confident. So in this episode, you will learn 50 common English mistakes with the correct form and simple examples. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Let's begin. Mistake 1. People is very kind. Correct sentence. People are very kind. Example. People are friendly in this city. Mistake 2. She go to school every day. Correct sentence. She goes to school every day. Example. He works in an office. Mistake 3. I am agree. Correct sentence. I agree. Example. I completely agree with you. Mistake 4. He don't like coffee. Correct sentence. He doesn't like coffee. Example. She doesn't eat meat. Mistake 5. I have 20 years old. Correct sentence. I am 20 years old. Example. My brother is 18 years old. Mistake 6. I didn't went there. Correct sentence. I didn't go there. Example. We didn't watch the movie. Mistake 7. There have many students here. Correct sentence. There are many students here. Example. There is a problem in this room. Mistake 8. I am living here since 2020. Correct sentence. I have lived here since 2020. Example. She has worked here for 5 years. Mistake 9. He is married with her. Correct sentence. He is married to her. Example. My cousin is married to a doctor. Mistake 10. Discuss about the problem. Correct sentence. Discuss the problem. Example. We discussed the plan yesterday. Mistake 11. Return back. Correct sentence. Return. Example. He returned home late. Mistake 12. Repeat again. Correct sentence. Repeat. Example. Please repeat the sentence. Mistake 13. More better. Correct sentence. Better. Example. Your English is getting better. Mistake 14. Very unique. Correct sentence. Unique. Example. This design is unique. Mistake 15. One of my friend. Correct sentence. One of my friends. Example. One of my teachers is from London. Mistake 16. I am boring. Correct sentence. I am bored. Example. The class is boring. The students are bored. Mistake 17. I look forward to meet you. Correct sentence. I look forward to meeting you. Example. I look forward to hearing from you. Mistake 18. She said me the truth. Correct sentence. She told me the truth. Example. He told me a funny story. Mistake 19. Can you explain me this? Correct sentence. Can you explain this to me? Example. Please explain the rules to us. Mistake 20. I have less friends. Correct sentence. I have fewer friends. Example. Fewer people came today. Mistake 21. He gave to me a gift. Correct sentence. He gave me a gift. Example. My father gave me some advice. Mistake 22. I enjoy to read books. Correct sentence. I enjoy reading books. Example. She enjoys cooking at home. Mistake 23. I am interested in music. Correct sentence. I am interested in music. Example. He is interested in photography. Mistake 24. The news are shocking. Correct sentence. The news is shocking. Example. The news is very sad. Mistake 25. Advices. Correct sentence. Advice. Example. Thank you for your advice. Now pause for a moment. How many mistakes did you already know? And how many mistakes do you still make? Don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent English speaker made mistakes before becoming fluent. The important thing is to notice the mistake, correct it, and practice the right sentence again and again. Now let's continue. Mistake 26. Informations. Correct sentence. Information. Example, I need more information. Mistake 27. He explained me the lesson. Correct sentence. He explained the lesson to me. Example, the teacher explained everything clearly to us. Mistake 28. I am waiting your reply. Correct sentence. I am waiting for your reply. Example, we are waiting for the bus. Mistake 29. I prefer tea than coffee. Correct sentence. I prefer tea to coffee. Example, she prefers reading to watching TV. Mistake 30. I didn't know that. Correct sentence. I didn't know that. Example, they didn't understand the question. Mistake 31. He can sing well. Correct sentence. He can sing well. Example, she can speak English fluently. Mistake 32. I am here since morning. Correct sentence. I have been here since morning. Example, he has been busy all day. Mistake 33. She likes very much chocolate. Correct sentence. She likes chocolate very much. Example, I like this song very much. Mistake 34. Open the light. Correct sentence. Turn on the light. Example, please turn off the fan. Mistake 35. Close the TV. Correct sentence. Turn off the TV. Example, don't forget to turn off the computer. Mistake 36. I cut my hair. Correct sentence. I had my hair cut. Example, she had her nails done yesterday. Mistake 37. He is good in math. Correct sentence. He is good at math. Example, my sister is good at painting. Mistake 38. Married with. Correct sentence. Married to. Example, he is married to an engineer. Mistake 39. What means this word? Correct sentence. What does this word mean? Example, what does this sentence mean? Mistake 40. I am knowing him. Correct sentence. I know him. Example, I know the answer. Mistake 41. My home is far to here. Correct sentence. My home is far from here. Example, the airport is far from my house. Mistake 42. I have a fever from 2 days. Correct sentence. I have had a fever for 2 days. Example, she has had a cold for a week. Mistake 43. I am teacher. Correct sentence. I am a teacher. Example, he is an engineer. Mistake 44. He said that he will come yesterday. Correct sentence. He said that he would come yesterday. Example, she said she would call later. Mistake 45. I used to play football. Correct sentence. I used to play football. Example, we used to live in Karachi. Mistake 46. He works hardly. Correct sentence. He works hard. Example, they study hard before exams. Mistake 47. I'm afraid from dogs. Correct sentence. I'm afraid of dogs. Example, she is afraid of spiders. Mistake 48. I have seen him yesterday. Correct sentence. I saw him yesterday. Example, we watched a movie last night. Mistake 49. Where you are going. Correct sentence. Where are you going? Example, what are you doing? Mistake 50. I didn't get the email. Correct sentence. I didn't get the email. Example, she didn't finish the work. Great job. You just learned 50 common English mistakes. And remember, fluency does not come from speaking fast. Fluency comes from speaking clearly, correctly, and naturally. So don't feel embarrassed by mistakes. Learn from them, practice daily, and keep improving. If you found this episode useful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AK Education System. We will meet again in the next episode with more powerful English lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English every day. See you soon.